Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your LinkedIn account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So to log into your LinkedIn account, firstly open your Google search, type in LinkedIn login and make a search. You can see that your search results are displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link appeared on the page which says LinkedIn login or sign in. It will take you to the official page of LinkedIn. Enter your email address or phone number and password associated with your account. Check your password by clicking on Show option to make sure if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Now, after entering your email or phone number and password, click on Sign In. This is how you can sign in to your LinkedIn account just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.